Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to put an image in shape on Canva. So let's assume you want to put an image. Okay, first let's select an image. So let's assume we want to put this image in a should I say in a circle format or in a round picture format. All we have to do is to go to the element section here and search for frame. This is one of the easiest way. Search for frame, or you can even search for circle frame. Once you get the frame, or even mock-ups, they work as well. So far they have this background art with white cloud, blue background, and yellow and green hues. You are good to go. So let's assume I want to do it. I can just click on one of them, okay, and then take my image into them, and it should appear in the circle. So this is for the mock-up. You can select the frame, you can choose the frame. Good. You can see that the image has appeared inside this particular circle here, and we can work with this. This is very beautiful. So let's say we want a different image, we can also do that, or a different frame. We can just select anyone, select, and then choose any picture. Now let me choose this, and then it should appear how we want it. Then you can proceed to edit it to your choice, or leave it as it is. So this is how to add images to shapes with frames and mockups on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a great day.